好, welcome to MAO-MAODARIN. I'm MAO-MAO. Today we are going to learn our fourth Pinyin final, Pinyin 韵母 E. It has a very interesting superpower. Let's take a look.
Why do they have that Pinyin radar? Are they trying to catch me? You cannot catch me. I am the powerful Eraser.
Eraser, why are you treating us like that? Put me down! Help! Help!
Stop, Eraser! We're only here to help.
I don't believe you. I know you're here to catch me. You caught me. What do you want from me?
Eraser, we're not here to hurt you. Your friends, sent us here to find you.
Oh, why didn't you tell me earlier?
You never gave us a chance.
I'm so sorry.
Do you know why its name is Eraser? Because its eye can raise people up. Instead of eraser, it's Eraser. Don't mix them up. Now let's learn more Chinese words. One. Now repeat with me. The enemy. Now repeat with me. You. Now repeat with me. 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 Secret. Me. Now repeat with me. Me. 你很棒，谢谢观看，再见。